Lately, an AI song has been streamed on social media 3 million times. What if I could show you how to create your own music for your entertainment, for your lessons, for your students, just an idea to immerse themselves even more in the English language. Suno AI is an AI music generation platform that allows you to create virtually any type of song with any type of music. All you need is your imagination, your creativity, and good prompting skills. Today I've been playing around with an idea to create a song for my student who has to make a phone call to a difficult client about an unpaid invoice. So during the lesson I equipped her with the most necessary phrases she has to master, and also an AI prompt that she can use to practice with AI. Also, just for fun, I sent her this song. Let's have a listen.
Plan a date, not vague excuses or a maybe stay.
Well, maybe finance will look in June, or perhaps we'll pay by the next full.
No, I need a contact I can reach today. Someone who can say yes or no and clear the way.
All right.
So as you can see, the song, I think it's pretty catchy, at least when it comes to the Broadway-style music, and that's enough for me because my student can listen to that song, and there are phrases that she needs to learn in order to make a successful phone call. Now, I'm not an experienced lyrics writer, so I have to rely on AI to quickly generate the lyrics that I need for the song. I use ChatGPT, I use Grok, I use Gemini, and well, I got the structure, but I wasn't really happy with the quality, the logic, and still kind of felt too much AI. So I would recommend Claude Sonnet through Perplexity or through the Claude platform to put together your lyrics for the song. Now, what worked for me, I went to Perplexity and I copied the ChatGPT generated song, which I wasn't very happy with, and asked it to refine, choosing the model Claude Sonnet 4.6. And going back and forth with it, I eventually found a version that I was okay with. I went ahead to Suno, I pasted the lyrics into the section, and I also asked it to generate a specific style and hit create. Now you might notice that I have quite a few generations over here. Yes, it's going to take you a while, let's say 5-10 minutes to get the best version that you like. Now, I also wanted to mention that recently Google released their own music generation model and it's now available in Gemini. When I listened to the sample music, I was impressed. But to be honest, when I listened to the demos I tried to create with Gemini, I wasn't that impressed. And there's a time limit. You can only generate a 30-second song. So to me, Suno AI is a go-to platform for now. It's free. The plan is pretty generous. You can play around and then upgrade if you want. But for me and for my educational purposes right now, it's enough. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will be experimenting with these models and I'll probably be posting some updates in the future. So stick around, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.